something is bent, the wheel is positioned more to the interior side. Hello my friends, welcome to another day here. Today I'm gonna continue on the Ram. I still have a bunch of things to do, but one at a time. I took the seat belts and the airbag control module to my airbags to be resetted. Everything here is like with no light, you can't really see, and I need to fix my lighting in the shop too to have more light. So I took the seat belts off and I took the module off. Now I'm gonna continue on, maybe I'm gonna assemble the grill and stuff. I didn't order a bumper yet, so I have to order a bumper to do the grill and the trims. I need to work on this side here. I don't have the part. I need to go and get the skin and what comes underneath the structural piece. I got paint. I can paint the bumper. I can paint the door. But yeah, today I'm gonna do something. So now I'm gonna bring the new grill. I'm gonna start in the front now and see if I'm missing something. To make this hole larger, just a little bit, so this one has to drop in. That's nothing. Okay, let's see now if it works. Look at this. What a beautiful beast is gonna be. So now I'm just gonna disassemble the door. I wanna remove the door. I'm hoping the other door is the same because of the mirror are different. Yeah man, I hope it's the same. I hope it's not different. Man, it's different. The guy said it's the same. Yeah, maybe I need to trim the door off. So on the other one, the mirror is like, it ends right here, the opening of the mirror, which would not be a problem if it's the same here and everything else, and the interior too. So I decided to paint the door and the fender today. I did prep everything here really nice, clean and nice. And I think I'm gonna do that tonight, this evening. Paint and clear coat and see what's about. Okay, now I'm gonna do the second coat, base coat. Okay, so now the first layer of clear. Man, look at this. Friends, just finished the first layer of clear. Look at this. What a nice shine to it. So now my friends, the second layer of clear coat. Till now everything is perfect, nothing, no debris, nothing. I hope I'm gonna get this lucky on the second one. So finally, I know it's noisy here. I did finish both clear coats and now I hope nothing gets on the surface. I'm really glad with the result. So finally I finished the paint job. The clear looks amazing. If nothing gets on the surface, even though now I can polish it really easily, but this is almost perfect in my opinion. Look, no debris, no nothing. The orange peel is really minimal. It's like, I think like original. I got orange peel on the truck like from factory. It looks maybe like this, but look at this. This is amazing. Okay, paint job check. Let's see. Ooh. Really nice, professional, right? On this job I can say professional. I can say professional with all my heart. Professional boy. Yeah, so the next step, I need to order a bumper and stuff. Still got a bunch of work, but we'll get there. Peace out, my people. Hello my friends, another day here. So I got the seat belts. They repaired my seat belts and the modules. I got the seat belts here unlocked like brand new. Here in Buford, that's my airbags. And the module, I already put it in place. I didn't install it. So the airbag mode control module is right here. And I'm just gonna have to put the bolts and the nuts and just put everything together, the seats and stuff. Okay, so finally I put the seat belts in and the ABS control module, which wasn't that bad. I really like working on these trucks. The ram is really nice, the first one I work on. I did the seat belts, everything is in place, and now I'm just gonna start to cut this one. I don't have the parts, but I'm just gonna open it up and see what's about. I'm gonna cut it somewhere around here for now. And right underneath the hinge. Okay, so now let's see what we have here, how bad this corner is. Yeah, so it's not even that bad. If I can pull it a little more from here, it's gonna be really nice. So yeah, it looks really good here underneath the skin. Just this corner is like kind of bad, but I can easily weld another piece, and this is like intact, just the skin. And this piece, if I could purchase it, would be really nice. And it's coming along well, I can say. Yeah, so today I think that's it, but it's coming along really good. Aloha. Hello my subscribers and my viewers, a few of you. I just got the part just a few hours ago today. This is the donor part. This comes from a 2015 Ram 1500. I hope it fits. I looked on the internet, it says it's gonna fit. It to me looks the same, but we'll see after I'm gonna cut it. So now I didn't film, but I did prep this one, removed from the other side, and I did clean. I did put primer on both sides, and I made this look like brand new. I just welded this, and now everything is really in good condition. So I'm glad I did purchase this corner with everything, with the structural piece, because I didn't know it was that bad. And I mean, I knew it was that bad, but this is like perfect, original. Yeah, so I did prep everything and just fit it in, cleaned up good. Now it's ready for welding. So hello, another day here. After a bunch of days working, it doesn't really matter. Okay, I just installed the door. I didn't film anything, but I did install the door, and I had to switch everything, every hardware inside the door, the harnesses, everything. This is the racked door. I put even the glass, it's the same glass. And now I want to connect the batteries and see if everything works. I put everything here and I plugged everything in. Man, finally I just struggle with this paint job because of I got some reactions here, but after I'm done, besides this run here, but I can sand it out, it looks really good. I like the doors and the fenders, but almost these looks really nice too. Now I'm just gonna let it cure. I did like 2 layers on the door and 1 big layer on the bumper and on the front bumper and the rear bumper, which is good. I'm really happy. I just need to sand it like a little bit and polish it just to be like to break some pores here. But other than that, man, it was such a struggle. I spent like 1.5 hours just with a reaction on the door. I hate this, but the truck is like scratched all over. It's not like really perfect, so it's gonna be better than the rest of the car, even though, I mean, it's gonna be really nice. Hello my friends, I'm here with Mary, my love, and I just took the plastic off the truck and it looks very nice. Now I can take it off the paint booth. Look at this. So finally I got wheels for my new truck. So I found like stock original nice wheels with 35s on it. Look, back here. Not nice wheels. 35. It's gonna ship me the 2 caps are missing. Dodge cap. I'm gonna do every wheel and come back with filming. So finally I think I can say I finished up the truck. I still got some minor things, but that's easy stuff to do, and this is the most important thing, that it's ready to roll on the road. Look how nice it looks with the wheels.